Hi, my name is Perry Sievers, and Wagoner Roofing helped me complete a new roof and siding for my house. When I moved into this house, it was shortly before the storm hit last year, and I had masonite siding that was not in the best shape, but it was something that I wasn't really worrying about right now. And then the tornado came through Urbandale, and I was right in the center of that path. And so I was kind of focusing on the first thing that was done was the roof. And then a couple months later, I was able to get the siding done. The night of the storm, I had multiple companies coming to the house and to the yard, which was just trees everywhere. It was very overwhelming. And so I kind of got online and I heard from my insurance adjuster about Wagoner Roofing. So I decided to give them a call just to get, another opinion and see if I could find a company that would be a better fit for me. And then Eric came, I think, within like the next day or two. I always knew, I could count on him to be respectful of everything I had outside. I think the best part of the whole experience was just the communication that Eric and I had together. I felt like I wasn't, trying to be like fast-pulled kind of and just another sale to someone. I felt like Eric truly cared about me as an individual and making sure, I knew everything that was happening in the process. It was above and beyond anything I could have imagined, and I'm so glad that I chose to go with Wagoner.